Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today we are going to be crocheting the Book Bestie bookmark. This is a super simple, super cute little bookmark. It's great for gifts. Give it to your favorite reading friend or loved one. Give them a set as a stocking stuffer or something like that. It is made with cotton or cotton blend sport weight yarn number 2. I'm using a comfy sport weight from We Crochet. And I've also made one in this rainbow 8/6 quality 100% cotton sport weight yarn from Hobie. Any sport weight yarn will be fine. I like the cotton or cotton blends because it makes it a little stiffer and it sits a little better and keeps its shape a little bit better. They're really nice and flat, perfect for in the book, putting in your book and closing up tight and keeping your place. So they are just great for that and reusable and can be made with any color that your friend's favorite colors or whatnot. Like I said, you'll need the sport weight yarn. I'm using Comfy Sport. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'm using an E 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. This is a Furl Streamline wood hook. And then you'll need your measuring tape, scissors, and a yarn needle for weaving in ends. I'll link all of this in the description for you as well as the written pattern. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, to get started, we're going to make our slip knot and we are going to chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, I like to work in the back bump of my chains right here. So I'm going to turn my chain around to the back. And row 1, it says to double crochet in the 3rd chain from my hook. So this is the chain that my hook is attached to is my 1st, then my 2nd, then my 3rd. So I'm going to do 1 double crochet in that stitch. And then it says to do 1 in the next chain. So I've got 2 double crochet right here. And our starting chain does not count as a first stitch. Okay, it says to skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and then 2 double crochet again into that next stitch or chain. So we did 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, all in that next chain. Then we're going to skip 2 chains again, 1, 2, and do 1 double crochet in the next and 1 double crochet in the last. All right, and this is what it looks like. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 double crochet. All right, and now for row 2, we're going to do a long chain, which is where we pull up our loop about the height of a double crochet and chain 1 and turn our work. Now we're going to do 1 double crochet in the first 2 stitches. So 1 and 2. And then we are going to skip the next 2 double crochets. So that is the 2 right here that we did all in this 1 stitch. So we're going to skip 2, and then we're going to work our 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the chain 2 space of the previous set that we did from the row below. So I'm going to do 2 double crochet just around that chain 2 space. Chain 2, 2 double crochet. All right, just like so. And then we skip the next 2 double crochet. So 1, 2, and then 1 double crochet in the next and 1 double crochet in the last. And there we have it. We have 8 double crochet still. And for rows 3 through 11, we are just doing a repeat of row 2. So long chain, turn my work, 1 double crochet in the first 2 stitches, skip 2 double crochet, then do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the chain or around the chain 2 space. And then we're going to skip the next 2 double crochet and do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. Like so. And we're going to have a total of 11 rows. So long chain, turn my work, 1 double crochet in the next 2, skip 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the chain 2 space, skip 2, 1 double crochet in the next 2. All right, I'm going to finish my rows, and they're easy to count. Just look at your V's here and count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm at 4. I'm going to go to 11 rows, and then I'll meet you at the end and tell you how to finish it up. Okay, I've got 11 rows. This makes a 2-inch wide by 6-inch long bookmark. You can continue and make it longer if you prefer. Do as many rows as you'd like. But I'm just going to go ahead and fasten off here. And then I am just going to take my yarn needle and weave in my ends, and I'm all finished, and it will look like this. Like I said, you can make it whatever length you want to, and you can just use any sport weight yarn and make a couple of these, and it makes a really great gift or stocking stuffer for all your friends that love to read. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.